Hello, I'm Daniel. I'm a rising junior. I go to Friends Seminary, and for my starter project, I made the Binary Blaster. The Binary Blaster is a game that basically teaches like binary, at least up to 15. So there are 4 buttons, each representing a 1 or a 0. A pressed button represents a 1, and a unpressed button represents a 0. And so basically, if I turn it on, here it's going to boot up. First, there's like a teaching mode where it just shows all of the, I guess, different combinations up to 15, because it can only be 15, because I guess that's if all the buttons are pressed, that just adds up to 15, because each button represents a different value, right? So each button represents 2 to the nth power, the first one being 0, the second one being 2 to the first power, then 2 to the second, 2 to the third. And obviously it goes on, but for here I just have 4 buttons. So binary itself is just, right, like what computers understand. It's just 1s and 0s, because like a lot of computers, or the first computers were just like a set of transistors, and which is like a switch, which is basically on or off, so like hence 1 or 0. So how it works is it's got 2 resistors to limit the current. It's also got a capacitor to like almost hold in energy. It also has a piezo buzzer if I turn the volume on. So basically when I press it, it should, like, if I get the right answer, I should hear that. And so basically, yeah, what I learned from this is that just mainly I guess how to solder, because I had never really done anything like this before. I think I'm happy how it turned out. I'm glad I learned this skill. Thank you.